Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify ML datasets with Amazon SageMaker Ground Truth, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify machine learning datasets using Amazon SageMaker Ground Truth, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the SageMaker service from the AWS Services homepage. Once in SageMaker, find Ground Truth in the left sidebar. Click on Labeling Jobs to access your existing jobs or create a new one. If creating a new job, click on the Create Labeling Job button. Select a job type that fits your dataset requirements, such as image or text labeling. Provide a descriptive name for your labeling job to easily identify it later. Choose the source of your data, typically an Amazon S3 bucket. Specify the S3 bucket and folder containing your raw dataset. Next, choose the labeling workforce, which consists of Amazon Mechanical Turk or your own private workforce. Set the task type based on your dataset needs, like object detection or text classification. Configure your labeling task by adding instructions and any necessary specification details. You can upload sample data to help labelers understand the task. Set up quality control measures, such as reviewing a certain percentage of labeled data. Review the job settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Click on Create Labeling Job to start the process. Monitor the progress of your labeling job in the Ground Truth dashboard. Once labeling is complete, access the labeled dataset in your specified S3 bucket. Download the labeled dataset to verify the quality of the annotations. Use data validation tools or scripts to check for consistency and accuracy in the labeled data. If discrepancies are found, you may want to create corrections or adjust labeling instructions for future jobs. Finally, ensure your verified dataset is ready for use in your machine learning model training process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.